Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Maria Monica Situbing and nice to meet you. So today, me, Papa and Isabel, we're going to shopping at Festival Mall on this May. Check this out. Thank you. Okay guys, dito kami sa warehouse namin ni Papa. Mamaya kami aalis po. 11:30. Okay guys, sakay na kami sa van ni Papa. Papunta na kami sa Festival Mall.
Hi. How are ya? It's nice to see you at all.
Sa Luzon Expressway na kami po guys. Okay guys, we're arrived at Festival Mall now. Okay guys, we're here inside at Festival Mall Robinsons later.
Department store.
Tingin na namin mga damit. We're back at the Toy Town, so bibiling ko na si Ballerina Cappuccino. Hey Isabel, where are you? Look, there's so many Barbie dolls in here. Disney Princess, Dreamies. An action figure. Superhero action figure. We're back at the KKV. So today, I'm going to buy the Minion plush or keychain plush. I got this Minion Stuart. Hi guys, there's so many more action figures over here. Let's keep looking and searching. Okay guys, lunchtime at Savory Restaurant. Video. Order muna kami bago kakain. Guys, hi. Lakad sa amin dalawan sabay, punta kami ng Tiangge sa malapit ng SNR. Okay po guys, bibili si Papa ng pizza dito sa SNR po. Pang take out namin po sa bahay. I'm here at the Toys R Us looking for Disney Princess dolls. There's a baby toys, Gabby's dollhouse, and Dreamies, and some more.
Sparkle Girls.
Sparkle Girls. Look what I got. I got this Princess Butterfly Barbie doll. Hi guys, dito kami magla-lunch time sa Tokyo Restaurant.
Andito kami sa Robinson Galleria.
Okay guys, kain po tayo dito sa Greenish Restaurant.
Kayate. Enjoy our meal.
Yes.